how to switch your Instagram account to business profile. Let's get started and let me show you how it works. So if you're new on this channel, consider subscribing as there are plenty of different tutorials and videos like this one, which I believe you're going to be interested in. And now, of course, go to your profile like that, click on your profile picture in there, then tap on the three lines in at the top right, and you will have the ability to go to the settings and like activity or privacy. All of the different things are going to be available right there. And from the tools in here, go to the creator tools and control, and plenty of different like buttons or menus. And at the bottom, you can see switch account type. And since this is a creator account, I can switch to the personal or a business account, right? But you can perform the changes in any direction, no matter if you already have like a creator or personal. You can go to business, and then you can also switch it back to the creator. So you can go back and forth, and there are like different perks or different reasons why you might want to choose a different type. Now, obviously, if it's a business account, which, for actual physical business, then it makes sense to go with that one, right? Because you have like the action button there and some specific features for, businesses. So yeah, it makes sense to pick the one which actually fits you. So let me know if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching. In case of any questions, you can look up the other videos on this channel. I have plenty of them available, but also leave some questions below. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.